Hey guys, welcome back. It's Emily Elizabeth, and today I'm going to show you guys kind of my DIY garden project. I have been wanting to do this for a really long time, but I could never find the time to do it or really know how. So I'm kind of just winging it. I watched a couple YouTube videos, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing today. So I bought a bunch of different materials, and let's get started. Okay, so we have, I bought these big 2x4s and had them cut in half. They're pretty cheap. They were on sale for like $2.74 each. So I bought 4 of these and then cut them in half. And then I got one of these that's gonna hold all of them together, but it's just one that I had cut in. It's one 1x4 because I'm only gonna use 4, but it's good to have backups. And then I got these screws that'll go all the way through. So we're gonna build it. And then I got all of my materials. This is what I did last time, but this time I'm gonna build the whole box. So I got 2 of these, one because I got a bell pepper and one because I got some Roma tomatoes. These are all the vegetables I got, but you guys can obviously get whatever you want. And we got a whole lot of dirt. Okay, so this is kind of the layout I'm going for. You can either get a whole like big one of these, like a, what was it, 8x8, or I got the 2x4s and then I'm just gonna stack them like this. I'm just gonna stack them and then I'm gonna use this piece to hold all of the 2 levels together, and then it will be the same size as the rest. I'm gonna screw them in here on the sides and on these sides so they all stick together in one square. Okay, so what I've been doing is just doing 2 screws into the corners at each point, and then I'm gonna take the little 2x4 and put it in here to attach it to this point, so then that can be the binder for the 2 levels like I mentioned before. Just go ahead and screw in both at every corner. Okay, so in the middle of working, I heard this huge thud and I was like, what is that? And then this giant deer jumped over our fence into our yard and ran all the way across our yard. I was like, holy moly, that has never happened to us before. And I had to like grab my dog Riley to not chase after it. And then it got like stuck in the fence, but that was quite the experience. I have never ever had that happen. I used to live in Vermont too, and I've never seen that. Anyways, back to the project. Just a minor deer interruption. Okay, we've got all 4 corners screwed in. Now we're gonna put one of these. Okay, so we're gonna screw in one of these at all 4 corners and then build another second one of these to put on top. Okay, we have all 4 pieces in on the corners, and now we're just gonna go ahead and add that second level just to make it a little bit taller. Wait. Okay, here's the final product. We finished putting it all together with the screwing in all these pieces too. Okay, we've moved it to the place where we want, and we just mixed up the dirt that was already on the ground, and then we're putting the soil in. We got the raised bed vegetable and plant soil. Miracle-Gro is the best kind to get. Okay, so depending on what plants you get, they need a place have to put this in a place that gets 6 or more hours of sunlight a day. So just make sure, depending on what plants you get, like I got cucumbers, peppers, stuff like that, just check the little packaging on the back, and then make sure you put this where, like I said, it gets 6 hours of sun a day. So this is the kind I bought, and make sure mine's right next to it. Make sure it can be next to the tap water source of your house. Okay, so we finished kind of dumping all of the dirt in. And just make sure it's evenly spread around. You can use a shovel, your hands, whatever works for you. Okay, I finished filling it up mostly almost to the top with dirt. You can even put a little bit more in, but I ran out. So I have my cilantro here, romaine lettuce, Roma tomatoes, green peppers, cucumber. I'm just gonna start with this for now, but they need like a good amount of space apart. So this should be good. These plants start out super tiny and they just like expand so much and become overflowing. So I want to give them a good amount of space. So I think this is the layout I'm gonna go with. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put them in. But this is the full layout of the raised bed frame that we built. Okay, just a little update. I just watered them, but it's been about a week and they are all flourishing and I'm super excited. I got this little flamingo as a graduation gift, so stay tuned. That video is coming out next, but I decided to put that in my garden because it lights up at night and it's super cute, and flamingos are my favorite animal. Anyways, there's just look, there's little flowers growing already and little buds here. I added these rings in. Yeah, they're all growing. I had such a good time building this. Thank you guys for coming along with me. I hope that you liked following along. I hope you guys have success with your own DIY gardens and projects, and maybe a deer will run through your backyard in the middle of it, who knows. I'm super excited that I was able to do this and share it with you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.